In this first video, we will introduce to you our new open wall system called Project One. This product has features that makes it unique in the panorama of the open wall systems. Thanks to the wide variety of profiles and accessories, it can be used in various areas of the home, living room, kitchen and bathroom. The main feature of the system has been called Just One Cut. All versions can be assembled without any mechanical or drilling operation, but a single cut. Only a 90-degree cut of the elements allows assembly and fixing. Another distinctive feature is the beautiful aluminum shelf. Since it is housed externally to the uprights, it allows you to have it in a single piece without interruptions. There are two versions. The first one is called L for the living room, where shelves in aluminum, glass, melamine and even cabinets can be mounted. The other one is called S and it is for kitchens and bathrooms. The aluminum shelf can be installed and even mirror composition can be created. Lighting options are available in both versions and they are very easy to assemble. Now let's see the list of components and instructions. Insert the fixing system inside the cross pieces and fix them with the appropriate 2.5 mm Allen key. Once the screws have been positioned inside the slot, carry out the necessary measures for a correct level with a meter. Then insert and fix the cross pieces with an Allen key of 5 mm. To facilitate insertion of the cross pieces, move on one upright at a time. Position the shelf in the appropriate rail starting from above. Finish the operation by positioning the safety caps that prevent overturning of the shelf. Complete the assembly with the end caps on the uprights. The lighting of the system is completed in a few simple steps. Drill from side to side the internal part of the crosspiece receiving the wiring with a 7 mm bit for metal. With the aid of pliers, remove the right amount of aluminium necessary to pass the wiring at the same height as the crossbeam to be illuminated, and in a less visible area, where the transformer will be also positioned. Slide the wiring inside the rear slot and on the previously drilled crosspiece. Use the less visible area to hide the wiring and fix the transformer with double-sided tape. Insert the LED strip in the appropriate channel of the shelf and cut it to size. Position the shelf, making sure not to pinch the cables. Insert the caps and levelers into the uprights with the help of an hammer. Once the structure has been fixed to the wall and the necessary measure have been taken for level, place the special screws inside the channel of the uprights and secure the supports with a 5 mm Allen key. Place the cross beams and finish the fixing with the metal plate. Position the shelf in the railing, starting to insert it from above and then end with the caps. For the installation of the glass shelves, place the special screws inside the channel of the uprights and fix the supports with an Allen key of 5 mm after making the necessary measurements for perfect level. Place the glass on the supports and end the installation by screwing the special locking cap. The lighting system is completed in a few simple steps, and it is possible to create it in two different ways. Upright lighting system. This operation should be carried on before fixing the uprights on the wall. Insert the LED strip in the channel and cut it to size. Pass the power cable in the slot along the assembly until you reach the shelf where the transformer is placed. Use the space below the shelf to hide the transformer and the wiring. Once the whole system is connected, install the shelves as seen previously. The LED will slide over the entire upright without finding obstacles between the shelves. Shelf lighting system. Insert the LED strip in the channel of the shelf and cut it to size. Use the space in the rear to hide the cables of the illuminated shelf until you reach the shelf that will house the transformer.